Extension cords are a fantastic invention, but it's important to use them safely. Each year, thousands of injuries and fires are the direct result of improper extension cord usage. Here are some extension cord safety tips and information. First, never use a cord that's damaged, and don't use a cord that feels hot. Extension cords can overheat if what you've plugged in draws more current than the extension cord can carry, and overheated cords can start fires. Second, never use an inside-rated extension cord outside. Inside-rated extension cords have thinner jackets than outside cords, which have more durable jackets. It's safe to use an outdoor extension cord inside, but using an indoor extension cord outside can lead to overheating and dangerous short circuits. Next, keep extension cords out of high traffic areas like doorways or walkways, where they can pose a tripping hazard. If you need to put a cord in a high traffic area, make it a temporary solution. This is particularly important if you ever have children and older people in your home. If you use extension cords on a regular basis, chances are you have too few outlets in your home. If you'd like to add more outlets or repair broken outlets, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.